Hey, good morning or afternoon, students in social studies. This is Mr. Arnold here, and I wanted to do a quick video recording just to show you some different things in social studies. The reason why I want to do this is because we are not holding live sessions for content area until a couple weeks go by. Okay, so I believe the first date that we'll be doing that, if I look at my calendar here, will actually be on the 17th. That's when you'll have a live social studies session. We'll start to get into that content with the live teacher. Now, that doesn't mean that you don't have things to do in those classes, so I wanted to make sure that you're aware of that. So when you log in and you click on your schedule, you should see you should see some readiness tests that you have to take today. These just are tests that let us know kind of where you're at in these subjects, science and social studies. But you should also see some things that are due in social studies today. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to get into social studies, and I posted an announcement today. It's called "What Are We Doing in Social Studies?" And in that announcement, I created a spreadsheet that you can click on. And that spreadsheet has the whole month of September. And it's broken up by day, so it tells you exactly what you should work on and focus on for social studies for that particular day. All right. Now, parents, this is also helpful to you. If you want, you can actually print this out and just have it or save it on your computer. That way you know exactly what you should be monitoring in social studies for that day. Now let me just show you the first week of school here, which is week 1. So obviously no school Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday we had nothing in social studies, all right, because it's just the first couple of days of school and we just wanted to do sort of a soft start to our school year. But now we're at Thursday, September 6th, 2018, and you can see it says work to complete Unit 1, the map of time, 1.01. So Unit 1, Lesson 1, it's called History in You. It was assigned today, it's due today, and even though it's something that's assigned, there's no quiz or anything that's actually graded with it. It's some reading and some interactive activities to look at. Okay, so that's what you should work on for social studies today, and then tomorrow Unit 1, Lesson 2, and then there's a graded quiz in there for you to do. Okay, so it goes on throughout the week, and then it'll go through the month of September all the way to Friday, September 28th. And then I'll update it for October and November, etc. So I'll do this every month so you know what you should be doing. Okay. Now let's take a look at what that actually looks like in the online school. Okay. So remember I said yesterday in class that you may have a physical textbook at your house that you got in the mail, but you really don't need it. It's just like a supplemental material that we will reference from time to time. But all of your stuff is actually in the online school. So for today, you should be working on Unit 1, Lesson 1, History in You. And so these are the different modules that you should be working in. So all you have to do is click on it, and it takes you into it, and you can just go through the pages. You can arrow over to the right, and it will take you through that entire lesson. Okay. When you come back to the main page, you should see green check marks that show completion. When you see that green check mark, then you have completed the lesson. Okay, so you should do these 4 today. Like I said, there's no actual assignment or quiz in there. It's just reading. And so it shouldn't really take you that long. Just get in there, get familiar with it, and look through it. And that's what you should be doing in social studies today. And that's how you know what to do from now on. Now, just a reminder before I let you go, students, you can really only see the first unit. You cannot see any of these other units. I have not opened them yet. So you should only see Unit 1, History of the Map of Time. The reason why I can see this is because I'm the teacher and I can see it all. So if you have any questions, please email me, or you can go to the discussion board and post a question, and I would love to answer it. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful Thursday.